John Rahm makes a birdie from a different zip code. Check out this drive.
He's hit a couple of those double crosses where he set up for a fade and hit a pulled hook instead. Oh, that was just a
His ball's in the adjacent fairway now. He can't see the green. He's going to go over these trees and hopefully hits the green.
I understand looking at Rahm. I can't see him. He can't see the green. He's left of the 18th tee.
Well, somebody just screamed.
He's been in some strange places on the golf course today.
He's missed the wrong fairway a couple times.
Yeah.
Well, what's difficult here is to actually gauge, like, what's the yardage.
Sure enough, he finds the green.
Said to Adam
Let's
when he
go.
walked by. I'm like, good luck getting the yardage here.
To 17 a few moments ago. John Rahm, birdie putt.
This putt is tracking right into the hole. Crazy, John. That's crazy. Nice birdie.